Hi, this is Joël Meyer. Here is an easy way to make a Monet painting seen from above. This is my interpretation of water lilies as seen from above. Choose paper, cardboard, canvas, or even a styrofoam board. I chose to work on styrofoam. As the board is quite large, I choose to divide it into two uneven sections. If your canvas is not white, first apply a coat of white paint. Prepare several shades of green. Take a marine sponge and dab green spots all over your canvas. Then, take a second shade of green and continue until the entire surface is more or less covered with different shades of green. If you are working on styrofoam, don't forget to paint the edges of the board. Clean the sponge and take colors like yellow, pink or purple to represent flowers. Dab different spots with different colors to represent lilies. When you are satisfied, add a coat of acrylic varnish. This project was a special order from a friend who has a pond where the fish are attacked by herons and raccoons. So, until the aquatic plants grow big enough to cover the whole pond, the styrofoam boards will provide a shelter under which the fish can hide. To print the document with the illustrated instructions, click on the link below the video and visit the Anima Plates website where you will find hundreds of fun and educational projects.